Want to use the dual camera feature on your Android phone? Here's how you can enable and use it. In this video, I'll show you how to use dual camera or dual video recording on Android. Let's get started. First, open the camera app on your phone. Now, tap on the menu icon or the four dots, then go to Settings. Scroll through the settings and look for options like dual recording, dual video, or director's view. If your device supports this feature, tap on it to enable it. Once enabled, you can choose different layouts like picture-in-picture, split screen, or bubble view. You can also drag and position the smaller camera window anywhere on your screen. Now, tap the record button to start recording using both the front and rear cameras at the same time. If you don't see this feature on your device, don't worry. There's another way. You can use third-party apps from the Google Play Store. Simply search for dual camera recording and install a trusted app. Once installed, open the app and allow the necessary permissions. These apps will let you record using both cameras simultaneously, just like the built-in feature. And that's it. That's how you can use dual camera recording on your Android phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials.